I was upstairs in my room one night playing video games with the volume loud when I thought I heard noises coming from downstairs. I muted the TV and listened closer. Nothing. But after an hour, I heard it again, only louder. I was sure I heard it this time and was a little freaked out. I went downstairs to the basement where I thought I heard the noise coming from. As soon as I opened the basement door, I was hit with a cold breeze. I went downstairs and saw the window wide open. I was sure I had closed and locked all the windows in the house. I was ready to make a run for it when something stopped me. I turned around and for the first time noticed the closet door was slightly cracked open. I stood for what seemed like 30 minutes in front of that door debating whether I should open it. All of a sudden, I heard a creepy crackle coming from inside the closet. I ran up the stairs as fast as ever, locked the door and called the cops. They came in and not even 5 minutes later, I heard a gunshot. They came out with a deranged looking man, probably homeless. They put him in the back of the car and told me they had opened the door and the man was holding a gun at them, but he luckily missed and the cops disarmed and arrested him. I was so close to being murdered.